friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my ProfitStays video review. ProfitStays, start your own travel agency in less than 60 seconds. You're just one copy, paste away from selling left and right with ChatGPT. It's the ultimate Booking.com and Airbnb killer. Instantly load 1M plus hotels, 4,000 plus airlines and unlimited experiences into your own GPT-powered travel agency. Build a completely automated DFY travel agency in seconds. Web-based app, so there's nothing to install, hosting included. Get discounts on your own holidays and even travel for free. Get paid when friends and family travel, loaded with 1M plus hotels, 4,000 airlines, plus cruises, car rentals, restaurants, tours and more. Get paid whenever someone books through your travel agency. Monetize your travel website with hotel booking affiliate program. Banner ads and Google AdSense automatically creates blog posts for your site using our DFY blog builder module. The AI posts daily viral lists like top 10 places to go to Europe in June. With your affiliate link, auto-added series of in-depth training videos shows all the ins and outs of the software. Special bonus. Get reseller license if you purchase today. We send you free traffic every day, 100% newbie friendly. Powered by ChatGPT. Use our platform to build stupid simple DFY travel websites from scratch that bring in 24/7 free traffic and $2,000 plus sales. Step number 1. Log in to our cloud platform and create your travel agency. You can create and host unlimited travel websites from dozens of templates. Step number 2. Enter your desired name for your new travel business. Watch as the app instantly creates a completely automated travel agency for you in less than 60 seconds. Step number 3. Relax and let our travel GPT do all the work for you. It automatically loads up 1M plus hotels, 4K plus airlines and 100K plus different other experiences with your affiliate link. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.